Again? What again? Huh? Good. Because you're too light, is it?
No, he just pushed me backwards.
Oh,
That's
okay.
how he usually does it. That
I
was
think-
not what I expected.
You expect that?
No, I did not.
You didn't?
Expect that.
Were you scared?
Only a bit.
Only a bit. You want to get the higher one?
No!
Yeah.
No,
The one that's so high?
no,
Why?
no. Scary.
Okay, how about that one? This one. No? Not at all? Let's go.
It's sinking.
Tin. Are you okay? Your feet okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Wait,
Huh?
you first.
Together.
You first.
Let's go together. Why?
No, you first. Then.
Woohoo! Huh? This one? How was it?
Scary.
One, two, three, go together! Woohoo! It was fun. Cheers. Here now, Brooklyn.
It is because it was raining.
It's raining so bad. Okay, kita kan ini. Why so big?
Together
No, I don't eat chicken.
in a bowl. Made of flour.
Look, so big. How was it? Sugar. Here we go again. This is the second time.
Again, this is the second time we're going to one place.
Because it was raining and now it's dry again.
Try it again.
Second time. Okay, now we find some place, I think nearby that area.
Yes.
Shall we? Let's go. Go, Didi, go.
We don't have a filter.
No problem. You fell on the. Oh. You okay? You okay? Great. Can you? Let me help.
Wait, stop. Hold your handle. Hold your
Go. You okay? You okay? Wanna go again? Go again?
I swallowed some water.